I wanted to talk just really quickly about a cycle time issue that I was involved in recently that, I just thought I would hop on and share really briefly here. And, hopefully somebody else benefits from it as well. So it's having a discussion with the leadership team around a cycle time challenge that they currently have, where they're wanting to lower the overall cycle time by almost 50%. And so what they were saying was, look, if we add 50% more headcount, we will actually be able to lower the cycle time by 50%. And that's in terms of the manpower processing portion of the process. And so you still have machine time, that's in there. And to me, this is a typical goal rat problem, right? So for those of you who are familiar with the book, The Goal, where they talk about the Herbie, essentially, this is exactly that same problem that's described in the book, which essentially is, look, you have to look at your entire process from start to finish to be able to fully understand exactly where the problem is, and then also what can be done in terms of improving total cycle time. So we started talking about the machine cycle time, and it actually turns out the machine cycle time is 70% of the overall cycle time, and the manpower processing time is only 30% of the overall cycle time. So even if you lower that one by 50% and essentially make it 15% of the overall cycle time, it still will be a minor fraction of the overall processing time. So what you have to do in terms of problem solving is, one, look at the entire process. Number two, if it's machine cycle time that you have to look at lowering, is that even possible? Is it something that's, maybe there's some technology problem where you're locked, and, we used to call these monuments, locked by some monument that prevents you from being able to ever get below a certain threshold? Or is it something where you can actually improve the machine cycle time, where it's turning faster at some rate, or being able to have an impact a lot quicker, that you have to look at? Adding people can be a part of the solution overall to a particular problem, but at the end of the day, it may not have enough of an impact to actually be able to lower the overall cycle time by 50%, not whenever it's only 30% of the problem. So, I just wanted to hop on really quick and challenge everybody to look at total cycle time whenever you're, really trying to impact a problem. And that's my thought for the day. I just wanted to quickly hop on and share it with you. Thanks.